Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 7.4 on Ubuntu 22.04 server. This is my server information, IP address, RAM, disk, and checking server version and IP address. This is Ubuntu 22. This is my IP address. Should be your server update and upgrade using this command apt update and upgrade. cd update and upgrade done. Now install transport HTTPS some package C certificate. One command is pending, apt auto remove. I will run this command after change this command. Except for type Y. And now install PHP script. This is for PHP 8.1. This is auto install. Installation done. PHP. Next, download this repo for 7.4 using dev package. Yes, download done. Now dpkg option I extract this dev package and then update apt. Update done. Now install main package Zabbix Server SQL, Zabbix frontend, Zabbix Nginx conf, many more packages. Press Y for accept, install, download. Zabbix script installation done. Now install database server, MySQL database. Database server installation done. Now start MySQL service, then enable services. MySQL service check status using this command. Yes, 2 minutes ago this is running. Now step 2, configure database. You can replace your user Zabbix password and then first time login without password and then reset MySQL root password using this command. Use MySQL, then update MySQL native password and then create database user, database password, and then import Zabbix default database using this command and then type Zabbix user password. This is Zabbix user password. It will take up to 3 to 5 minutes for default database import. Default database import done. Now again log in MySQL terminal. For settings, default global settings 0 and then exit MySQL terminal. And step 4, add database name, user and password into server conf file. Scroll down and comment this db name and db user section, and then copy your created db name, db user and db password, then save and exit, and going to step 5, set up Zabbix web server. Open etc Zabbix nginx conf file, remove hash mark and go to end. If you want to use domains, so enter your domain name, or you can use IP, and listen port should be 80, not 8080, and then restart all services. So Ubuntu sometime auto install Apache to web server, so you should be stop first and then restart your required services and then enable these services. Also you can now access your web server address and complete web installation process, or you can step 1 command for remove, it is remove Apache 2 y, and then apt remove, because when your server again reboot, then Apache 2 is auto start, that's why you cannot access your Zabbix web URL. And also same time both web server not running, Apache and nginx, should be use only one, Apache or nginx. Okay. Welcome Zabbix 7.4. Next step, all status is okay, required is 8.0. if you see any red mark, so you can continue next step. Click next step, input, this is 3 important things: database name, database user and database password. You already created, this is user and this is db name. Okay, successfully installation done, congratulations. Okay, after login, username admin, a must be capital A and password is Zabbix. Yes, successfully installation done. 7.4 on Ubuntu 22.04. this is 7.4 is running properly. You can find more tutorial for add, host, create SMTP for latest version SMTP. You can find more tutorial from my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.